Hi, it's Mrs. Pope, and today we're going to be adding and subtracting rational expressions. Key concept here, you must have an LCM, least common multiple, or we can call least common denominator, to add or subtract rational expressions, because rational expressions are just fractions. So for example, if we had 4/9 plus 4/6, we couldn't just add those across, we have to have a common denominator. And the least common multiple, or the LCD, either one, of 6 and 9 would be 18. It's the smallest thing that they both go into. So here, if I have 3 plus this, x squared minus 3x plus 2, plus 5 over 2x minus 2, let's factor it to see what we're working with. If I factor this one, I'm going to have x minus 2x minus 1. So my LCD, or my least common multiple, or my least common denominator, however you want to think of it, x minus 2, x minus 1, and a 2. I need all pieces. Because if I have all of these, that includes the 2 that I need here, and it also includes the 2 that I need here. We don't need to repeat them if they're in both. Okay, so find the least common multiple of these three expressions. So here, let's look at the variable, or the coefficients, 6, 15, and 9. Well, the least that all of those go into is 90. And then we have an x squared, and an x. Well, the least that any one of them could fit into would be x squared, because I need to have at least an x squared for that to fit. And then for the y's, I have a 4, I have none there, and I have 1 here. So I have to have at least 4 so that this one can fit in. So a little hint, it's always the largest exponent of the variables that they have in common. So if they have y in common, has to be, if there's a y and a y to the fourth, it's going to be the larger exponent, the y to the fourth. All right, we only have one example for this. So let's simplify. Let's look for our LCD. Well, we have 2 and 8. That means our least common number that can go into those two will be 8, of course. And then we have x cubed and y squared. So I have to have at least x cubed, and I need to have at least y squared. So this will be our LCD. So what we do is we look here at the first one and see what's missing. So from here, what's missing from the LCD? I'm missing 4, so I'm going to rewrite it here, 3y over 2x cubed. What's missing? I'm missing 4, because 2 times 4 would give me 8. I have the x cubed, and I'm missing the y squared. So that's what I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by, what's missing. So then here, plus 5z over 8xy squared, what's missing? I'm missing, for my LCD, I have my 8, I have x, but I'm missing x squared, and I have the y squared. So all I'm missing is x squared. Multiply the top and the bottom by what you're missing. So once we do that, we can simplify. So 3 times 4, I have 12y cubed over 8x cubed y squared plus 5zx squared over 8x cubed y squared. Now I have common denominators, and now I can add the numerators. And I can only add what I can put together, and none of them are alike. So I just have 12y cubed plus 5zx squared all over 8x cubed y squared. So that's how that works. Pretty simple today. We'll have more practice tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are responsible for your own learning.